The 911 Emergency Response Department held its radio system launch today. 911 Program Manager Juliet Gooding was the moderator for the event and thanked sponsors for their contributions, both time and money, towards this very important system. She went on to stress just how beneficial this system is to the Turks and Caicos Islands.
When we talk about radio communications, we are now in a position where we can talk to the fire service by radio. In the past, what you've been used to is that if you need a police officer or the fire service, you would pick up a cell phone or telephone and call somebody on the phone and hope that they get the message and go quickly. The fire service, we would set off a pager, but that works in the sense that the pager is activated, then they have to call us to find out what the problem is. So if you think about that, that is a lot of time wasted before you can actually get your emergency services responded. So now we have radio communication, thanks to all of you, which means that at any time we can send a message simultaneously to different groups of people. So just imagine where we used to be to where we are now.
Assistant Manager of 911 Ellery James also gave remarks at the event. James says that 911 radio system signal reaches far beyond the edges of Providenciales.
I think the most interesting part of the whole exercise is knowing that the entire island of Providenciales now have radio coverage. Our signal stretches from the Butterfield Tower all the way over the Guana Island of Water Key, Private Island of Pine Key and Parrot Key, and we were able to push the signal as far as the causeway on Middle Caicos. So basically, almost anywhere as far as the causeway in Middle Caicos, we were able to extend our communication signal.
Police officials, fire department officials, and local residents were in attendance. Shortly after giving his remarks, James demonstrated to the group just how the system works.
Response to a fight in progress in the vicinity of the security center at IGA, Graceway Plaza, Leeward Highway. Be advised that there are 3 persons involved and 2 are armed with machetes. Copy? Central. Please be advised that Papa Delta Mobile currently in Chalktown vicinity responding to a burglary. ETA from that IGA location is about 20 minutes. Over.
Just before closing, James talked about another feature of this new system and thanked the sponsors for allowing the department to finally be able to attain this new equipment.
One more before I close out feature that we allowed or we built in the communication system was a general alarm channel. A general alarm channel is one channel that allows police, medics, and fire to communicate in the event of a mass casualty incident. So for example, if there's whatever serious incident happened in the Turks and Caicos, everybody can switch to one channel with EMS, police, fire, and we'll be able to talk to everybody one time. Such technologies was never available in the Turks and Caicos, and thanks to you guys, we now have it.
For WIV4 News, I'm Amanda Miller.